Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll down, select System over here and click on Languages and Input. Then Virtual Keyboard and your currently used one, in my case Gboard. Over here go into Theme, so sorry misclick, and tap on Show More to see all available ones. When you're done, you can pick one of these images by clicking on the chosen one. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on and tap Apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!